Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to install N8N on AWS, basically Amazon Web Services. This is the official documentation of N8N, and AWS actually offers several ways suitable for hosting N8N. So you have the EC2, which are the virtual machines, and EKSs, and that's what we're going to be using in this one. So first you need to create a cluster. Use the following command. Okay, make sure you pause the video and just type in the commands, and it can take a while to create the cluster, so just keep that in mind. And then you need to go ahead and clone the repository, the configuration one, because this requires a series of configuration files. So you come here, clone the repository with the following command, and then you can change the directory to the root of the repository you cloned. Okay, and once you're done with that, to maintain the data between the pod restarts, so you need to use this code in the .yml. Okay, then you need to configure N8N. Just create a volume for the storage. Make sure we have this set up, and specify the minimum resources application containers. So we set this. Okay, this is what I go ahead and recommend you to do, and then come here and start deploying it. And you can go ahead and put in this command, okay, to send all the manifests to the cluster. Set up your DNS. So you basically open the cluster section of the Amazon Elastic Kubernetes service package in the AWS console. Just select the name of the cluster, open the configuration page, select the resources tab, and then service and networking. Go to services, select N8N service, and copy the load balancer URLs value. Okay, and then go ahead and delete resources if you need to. Can easily use this. Okay, but otherwise it's really that easy and simple. And this is the N8N service port. Okay, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.